Okay, this is a studio suite here at the Southampton Harbour Hotel. A friend of ours is staying in this room and allowed us to do some videoing to show you another setup. This one is really designed more for families who may wish to cook and prepare their own food. You can see that there's a sink and a hob, and I will start over here. Just pointing out that to the left of the door is where you're going to find your iron and ironing board. Here is a dishwasher. I won't go through all of the cabinets under the sink. They're mostly just storage. There are some drawers here under the hob for silverware and the like. There is a range hood. You have your coffee and tea set up there, as well as your sink. Also a fair amount of electricity ports here and lighting controls. On the other side, you're going to see a double oven and storage above. Again, more controls here as far as the range, hood, and lighting. This is going to be your full-sized refrigerator and freezer. We'll move into the living and bedroom areas now. More lighting controls here, as well as your HVAC. There's a sliding closet door here with your robes, hair dryer, slippers, and a medium-sized safe. There's a full-size mirror here. And then we have a king-size bed, which is very soft. There's a nightstand on either side of the bed with a lamp. I will say that the electricity is not very accessible. However, the plugs are back here behind the nightstands next to the bed for this room. There is a desk area here with some lights and a drawer. And now we'll move into the bathroom. Single vanity sink with Bramley products, mirror, towel warmer, and your shower with sliding door with a handheld shower wand, as well as a rainfall. Here's your Bramley products I mentioned. It does look like there is additional power outlet here behind the sliding glass door next to the bed, which is useful. We have views out into the marina here on this side. And then we step into the sitting area. This is not a sofa bed. So this is just a sofa here, as well as a chair and your large TV, the all-important bottle of gin with ice and binoculars. And then we'll step out onto the balcony. The balcony offers views of the marina. And a couch with a table out here to enjoy these beautiful views. And that concludes this tour of a studio suite here at the Southampton Harbour Hotel. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.